For kitchens with limited space, this commercial range offers a variety of cooking solutions in a compact footprint. At only 60 inches wide, it offers a 6-burner range, a 24-inch griddle, 2 full-size ovens, and a back riser with a shelf for additional storage. An adjustable rack is included with each oven, making it possible for cooks to accommodate products of various sizes. 4-inch side splashes surround the griddle to reduce splatters, and 12-inch by 12-inch grates on the range are removable for easy cleaning. In addition, removable crumb trays are installed below the cooking surfaces to catch crumbs and debris. This range runs on natural gas and is controlled manually by knobs located on the front of the unit. For more information or to add an equipped range to your kitchen, call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at KaTom.com today.